Okay, so this is a video to the team. So this is to keep this property as a 2-bed, and this is what works needs doing to keep that as a 2-bed. So remove that. Actually, yeah, remove that because when all the works have been done, that will get really dirty anyway. Remove that. Paint this white. Make that a bit neater. I'm pretty sure we need a new RCD unit and potentially a rewire as well. Door's fine, that's fine. Okay, I think I'm going to put laminate down here. And potentially laminate here as well. Living room, so we need to check to see if we need to do a full rewire or not. And then redecorate throughout. Remove that and replace it with a more modern lighting unit. Seal this up so people don't trip over it. It's okay. Make that a bit more presentable. It's okay. Kitchen. New kitchen units throughout. Keep the appliances. Everything is going to be electric, but have them tested. Keep that. We'll put tiling down here. Tiles out here as well. So this is the outdoor toilet. Just investigate that and then make everything presentable. So basically whitewash everything. Put a mirror up there once it's all done. Just clean all that up, and then there's a leak here, so investigate that leak, but then ultimately just paint everything, make it presentable. Floor, stairs just needs cleaning. Banisters fine. Actually, let's paint this wallpaper white as well. Okay, so because this is a 2-bed, we'll keep this bathroom as it is. That needs to be removed, and then that place covered up. That's all fine. Oh, must be the... Okay. This must be for the heat, for the water. Bathroom, everything's fine. So we need to, okay, it's vinyl. So there's a bit of a cut here, so you need to cover that up somehow. There's a bit of a tear here, so maybe replace that. Check this silicone, but otherwise this should be fine. Bedroom, just redecorate throughout. Replace that with a new lighting unit. Keep the curtains. Replace this with a white panel door. Redecorate inside here, make it safe. Let's add a light as well, make sure the light in here works. Actually, alternatively, just take this down. Yeah, just take this down and repaint it. That's better, isn't it? Okay, bedroom. Recarpet this. So yeah, recarpet this, and we might as well keep that and just repaint the inside and make it more presentable. And I think that should be it. All right, thank you.